Halo guys, welcome back to Green Lake di sini. Kali ini kita balik ke episode ke-9 Baldur's Gate 3 Underground. Oke, kita recap lagi kayak biasa ya. Kemarin kita habis kelarin Grimforge di X1 dan kita udah selesai juga ngebantai Goblin Camp di X1. Jadi harusnya di X1 ini agendanya udah kelar bagian awal, kecuali itu si tempatnya Githyanki. Jadi agenda di episode kali ini adalah kita mau ngebantai tempat Githyankinya, seperti itu guys. Nah abis itu harusnya kita udah bisa lanjut ke Act 2 Baldur's Gate 3 Underground Mode ini ya. Cepat ya, ternyata kita cuma butuh sampai mungkin ini episode ke yang terakhir atau mungkin 2 episode lagi untuk X1 tadi. Habis itu kita bisa ke X2 gitu guys. Nah ini kita lanjut aja ke gameplaynya. Kemarin kita habis free long rest ya, habis ngebantai Goblin Camp. Nah kali ini kita mungkin mau spam long rest dulu. Kenapa? Karena kita mau nge-spawn All Bears Cup-nya, biar kita All Bears Cup-nya bisa join ke camp.
Straight from the neck is preferred, but goblets are used in mortal company.
Long rest lagi ya, sampai kita dapat event Owlbear. Ini nggak perlu diisi karena kita nggak pakai sama sekali untuk supply. Kok nggak ada ya? Mana Owlbear?
You carry a Githyanki relic. I will have an explanation, or your head.
Walk away. Now. I won't warn you again.
Remove yourself if you are so easily offended. This is not your concern.
Ya, chill, oke.
Nonsense. You're just finally showing us what you really are. A reaver to the bone.
Spare your indignity. Every word that
Lagi
spills from your
berantem
mouth is worth
mereka
less
berdua.
than the
Dari dulu nih
last.
sampai sekarang. Dari awal sampai akhir sukanya berantem.
Incorrect. Judicious bloodletting settles feuds and roots out the weak, the deceitful.
Do you hear this, Tripe? Our lives are at stake, and she wants us to turn on each other.
No others. Just you and me.
Lae'zel thinks I have something important to her people. She's deluded, clearly.
Lies. She carries an heirloom of my people. I must know why.
I doubt this one's wits will be any sharper by then.
I do not wish to spill blood here. Come daylight, we will find a place to end this.
Fine. You can accept you're wrong, or we'll be rid of you permanently. Either way, I win. You had every chance to look the other way, but here we are. You chose this.
Spare me the justifications, coward.
If anyone asks, I'll say you were transforming. Don't expect to be mourned.
Jangan ya, tim member kita udah kita gedein dari lama.
She's a liability. It's the artifact we need, not her.
Let me up, and I'll show you.
Can I do that, Lae'zel? Can I turn my back on you?
Never. Thieves aren't afforded such luxury.
Loosen the grip on your pride for one blasted moment, won't you? We needn't be enemies. There's plenty of those to go around already.
What would you have? That we be friends?
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But Imagine what we might achieve if we channeled some of that hostility back at our real foes, instead of each other. They wouldn't stand a chance.
Oke. Nice pep talk by the way. Oke. Back to... Apa karena kita nggak ngomong sama Owlbear Cup-nya di Goblin Camp ya? Tapi udah nggak ada Owlbear-nya. Atau Owlbear-nya malah udah join? Belum.
The dog wags his tail, a small bag clenched between his teeth.
Oke, thank you.
He gives in and surrenders his
Dapat
fine
tulang.
teeth.
Aduh, masih sampah dia.
So, have we buried the hatchet, Lae'zel?
No. Why would I bury a weapon? Is it broken?
Loh. Ayo dong, Owlbear dong. Nah, 2 kali by the way.
You
Pertama dia
recognize the
datang, kita kasih
feathered
makan.
creature. It's
Kedua
the
dia datang pas
owlbear
dia
cub
terluka.
you rescued.
Ini bro.
The cub's eyes lock onto the food in your hand. The creature gulps the food down. It seems he hasn't eaten in some time.
Oke.
Careful. Once that thing's eaten through the camp, it might start looking at you hungrily. I'm not chasing after it, if that's what you're thinking.
Alright. Oke, sekali lagi kali ya.
I've been watching you fight, Shadowheart. Your skills are improving.
My skills were just fine to begin with.
Ya, Owlbear. Nah, oke, nice. Dia udah datang.
The cub holds out his leg, revealing a ragged wound.
Oh, dia terluka ceritanya. Medicine. Nice.
As the wound closes, the cub begins testing his weight on the leg.
The little beast's quite charming once you get accustomed to the smell of rotting flesh.
Oke, dia harusnya join. Nah, nice, dah. Harusnya udah nggak ada event long rest yang di X1 lagi sih. Kita udah bisa langsung ke tempat yang key. Itemnya udah diambil semua kan ya. Bahkan yang dari Omelum juga sepatunya udah dapet soalnya. Oke, we can go to... Bentar, sebelum itu kita prep dulu.
There is work to
Shadowheart.
do. I'll go this way.
Well, speaking sama long stride.
Have a lot on my mind. And, well, in it.
Okay,
Have I been this way
we are
before?
ready to go. Kita ke Grimforge gak usah. Walk-on rest. Oke, di sini kita akan ngobrol bawa Lae'zel ya kalau kalian kesini.
How do you maintain
Kalau nggak kalian akan battle sih kayak. Setahu gue sih battle.
The craftsmanship is impressive. A dragon rider.
Biasanya gue langsung bawa Lae'zel biar ngobrol langsung
I can't
sama
remember who
leadernya
taught
dia.
me. Another memory lost, perhaps. It would be too much to hope that's not.
What are you doing? Oh, what? That lot are swarming all over the bridge. I'm going to find another way around. Unless you're looking for a fight, that is. What? I go my own way. Alone. Nobody. Just another harassing fool trying to... Rag.
Sayang banget
That's
tapi
it.
nanti
I'm
dia
getting out of here.
tewas.
Keep your distance, darling.
Oke, let's go.
Keep it together. Should mind my step.
Ayo, Lae'zel.
Drop! I'll feed your innards to the ants before I do that, Istik.
This is your last chance!
No, look up. That was your last chance, Istik. Now burn!
Oh, karena itu jembatannya rusak. Baru tahu. Alah.
Stop wasting time, Beretta. You're not here to play with the locals.
Of course, Kithrak. We merely sought to...
No excuses. Question, kill, then move on. Find the weapon. Our queen watches us. Fail her at your peril.
A red dragon. I envy its night. Would that I rode such a steep. A crash must be near. Come, my kin await.
Lae'zelnya pindah keluar party dulu. Nah, di sini sebenarnya biarkan aja Lae'zel yang ngomong. Terus nanti kita persuade sekali. Ini nggak perlu banget. Sebenarnya kita bisa juga dapat senjata di sini yang legendary weapon.
Ryder, my time is
Awesome.
short. Lead me to...
Shh, shh, shh. Such a familiar tone. Were I not merciful, I would slice the skin clean from your meat. Yet you are not bleeding. For I am nothing if not merciful.
Anjay,
Your
putih sekali
name,
dia.
child.
Lae'zel.
Lae'zel. Proud. Regal, even. You will call me Gestil Kithrak.
Voss, Knight Supreme. The Queen's silver, the Queen's sword.
I am who you say. A Geich vessel has fallen from the sky, Lae'zel. Thieves aboard have taken a weapon most precious. It is polyhedric in shape and inscribed with the sacred runes of our people.
You feel Shadowheart's anxiety. The weapon that Voss seeks. It's the artifact that she carries. Her mind focuses. The Gith's suspicions cannot be aroused. They cannot discover that the weapon they seek is right within their grasp.
Take word to your creche. You are to join our search. Speak up, child. Affirm your mandate.
Kalau kita ini dibantai kita.
You honor me with this duty, Kithrak. I shall alert my caretaker with haste.
The Kithrak nods, content with Lae'zel's answer.
You serve your queen well, child. Take your slaves and hunt those who escaped the Geich ship. They must carry the weapon.
I fly now to Vlaakith, our undying queen. She will see your faith rewarded in this plane and ours.
A current of deception carries Voss's words. Wherever he flies, it is not to Vlaakith.
To Danos! To the sky!
Oke. Lumayan XP-nya. Dikit
Damn
lagi.
it all! You did well to intervene, vexed as I am to admit it. The Gestil Kithrak would have flayed our skin and left our carcasses to burn in the sun. All for the sake of the artifact that we carry. The creche is near, this much we know. We follow the path forward and into the valley. No one, not even the ignoble Jastil Kithrak, will keep me from my purification.
Oke. Ini by the way gue hilangin aja kali ya. Mukanya nggak kelihatan. Ngelut. Aduh, keberatan deh. Shadow Heart-nya pakai. Barangnya banyak banget ya by the way. Mungkin kurangin ini dulu ya. Oke.
Indolence breeds
Lazel.
madness. Onward.
All's well that ends. Not as
Oke,
bad as
let's
it
go.
could have.
Kita ke tempat
Light on my feet.
Githyanki.
Let's see.
Lu nggak bawa all bear tadi? Nah, kasih aja.
How much farther can I go?
Wait, we must go there at once. Chuk. Very well. Lead up.
Santuy aja Lazel. Kita akan ke tempat apa? Crash ya atau apa?
I warn you,
Sesuai waktunya.
I'm exceptionally well armed. You know, look over there.
Oke.
You see that wretched little hive?
Jual-jualin dulu ya biar nggak berat ya. Gue mau ini bajunya. Ya semuanya aja sih sebenarnya. Semua item magicnya. Potion. Nah, ini alat ini gue boleh. Dah. Oke, dan
Oh, brutish.
ya itu dia minta telur
Honestly,
Githyanki.
I was doing them a favor offering to buy.
Please.
This, I'm sure your friend would agree. A Githyanki is as likely to forsake its violent nature. Perhaps I'm not talking. You'll be well compensated, of course. Just bring me an egg.
Oke, tapi bayar di depan ya.
What?
Very well.
Thank you. Nah, kita dapat beberapa item nih. yang sebenarnya bagus untuk dipakai. Ini nggak kepake mungkin gue taruh di camp kali ini. Skybreaker. Ini sih, Doomhammer jangan sampai ketinggalan sih. Takutnya kelupaan nanti di Act 2. Taruh plaza lagi. Ini juga makanan-makanan. Ini nggak kepake, ini nggak kepake semua. Increase dexterity to 20 sama advantage. Increase dexterity saving throw. Dexterity gue masih 16 di sini. Pakai nggak ya? Saya armornya jadi turun, tapi udahlah pakai aja. Berarti ini kasih ke main karakter gue jadi 20. Ini kita send ke camp. Terus ini kita kasih ke Astarion. Jadi 16, ya lumayan lah. Oke, terus sisanya ini cantrip. Nggak kepake nih. Nggak kepake nih. Ini kepake nih. Restore Maximo. Ini guidance udah nggak butuh sih. Gue punya 2 karakter yang pakai guidance soalnya. Oke. Ini mesti step kepake, sorong nggak kepake, nanti ini nggak kepake, ini nggak kepake, ini juga nggak kepake. Oke, udah, let's go. Sayangnya sih tapi armornya jadi 16 doang.
That will not work. Good.
Harusnya sakit sih ini karena dexterity 18, strike-nya 19 dan dia pakai Titan String Bow. Walaupun gak pakai potion ya. Tetap sakit sih harusnya ya.
Traitor Kithrak takes great interest in this relic of his shadow. Or should I say, what are you hiding?
Watch your back.
A long way to go still.
Careful, I bite.
Okay.
What path lies before me? Always room for more.
Nah ya di sini juga ada burung sih. Buat nambah XP lumayan kali ya. Spread dulu.
What am I to do? Let's try this way.
Intestines throb, blood whispers.
My faith will guide me. This way.
ngobrol dengan burung ini dulu ya.
Let's see what I can glean. Might as well.
I've got nothing left to steal. Oh, sure, Please.
Intinya dia nipu kita. Dia bilang sarangnya diambil elang, padahal dia ada sarang di sini. Dan itu sarang elangnya sebenarnya. Nggak apa-apa, lumayan buat XP.
Worth a rummage?
Oh, ini ada berry bush juga di sini ya. Ada lagi nggak? Lumayan nih berry bushnya buat si main karakter gue.
All is ash and meat.
Never wanted the easy path.
Ini ada 20 karisma.
That's enough.
If there's a...
Silent!
No!
Anyone, as I...
Chill.
So the Githyanki are fond of cultists.
Ah, tadi berry-berryan. Taruh di sini.
When Savage Keth uses you as jungling targets practice.
What do you mean, too drunk? It's not possible.
Oke. To the honor ya, Astarion. Harusnya sih mati satu hit ya. Yap. Kayak ini better kasih ke Astarion deh. Ya. Karena sakit dia pakai Titan String Bow.
Neither seen nor heard.
I can't waste any more time.
Really? Now?
Kalau mau bunuh ini dulu nih, Cobalt Invator, karena dia bisa punya apa namanya? Dia punya fire arrow ya. Dan di sini semuanya wide, jadi bisa meledak. Mati nggak ya tapi? Wah enggak.
This place reeks of alcohol. Let's watch my fire.
Kita mau solo aja atau gimana nih?
With finesse.
Loh, kelihatan. Oh, dan gue belum gigit orang juga ya. Ya sudah kalau gitu. Semuanya harus ikut berarti. Berarti oke, satu mati.
My faith protects me.
Shadow Heart-nya belum jadi ini lagi, lupa.
Purpose. Not a single.
Aduh, senjatanya Lae'zel juga jatuh ya.
Ready. Unseen.
Ya udahlah.
Let's turn someone inside out. Let's have a little fun.
Surprise semua anyway kan?
Light on my feet.
and lethal. Found and taken. Taking position.
Wow.
Make way.
My faith will protect me.
Ya, Archer deh boleh.
Blood comes easy these days.
Oke, udah gak surprise lagi. We can still kill somebody. Gak mati ya. Mati gak ini? Oke, jadi invis, nice. Ngedes doang, oke. Dua ngedes, satu mukul dan gak kena. Sisanya yang PR ya.
I am fury. I am death.
Nothing important is ever easy.
Ini tuh yang di depan. SC kita 20. Oke. Goodbye.
At the ready.
Dia nggak bawa apa-apa dong. Oke, blinded.
On my way.
Oh, nggak mati. Nggak kena. Wow, keren banget dah. Oke. Oke. Kayaknya gue harus dapat ini dulu ya. Apa? Sharpshooter biar sakit. Apa-apa, kena cuma dikit. Begitu ya, baru sakit ya.
Can't even catch my breath.
Kayaknya
Let's spill some blood.
kayak better cap-nya kasih ke Astarionnya aja deh. Karena dia punya assassin ini.
Time to strike. Taking position.
Satu. Dua. Oke, good.
Don't waste a step.
Yang harus di-loot itu yang ini.
Open up.
Karena dia bawa ini dia. Sisanya nggak usah.
What a day. Subtle steps.
XP-nya.
Can you feel death's cold? Don't touch me. Go. There's blood in the air. How delicious.
Dua lagi ya kalau nggak salah.
Shall we cut and run? To the death.
With haste.
Ya, satu lagi.
Trust no one.
Oh, ini double loot. Oke. Ini terakhir.
I'm ready.
Another step
Ya,
forward.
let's go. 1270, dikit lagi. Kita naik ke level 7. misi. Aduh, pencet no. Oh, nggak kena damage, oke. Kita buka balik kadenya.
Well, hello. There.
Nah, ini kita juga bisa main-main sama kucing-kucing di sini.
What is that wailing? A child? On the hunt. Don't
bisa.
linger. Into the shadows.
Ambushing. Bisa lah ya.
Moving. Grumishkas?
Those little pussycats are allergic to magic. Better watch your step.
So evil play ya, anjir. Ayo, buruan. Pas banget. Nah, curang sih ini. Ini OP. So OP apa cap itu ya. Akan lebih OP lagi kalau nanti udah ngambil fit sharpshooter. Karena damage-nya lebih sakit kayaknya. Ya, jangan sebut ini curang ya. Ini cara bertahan hidup di Baldur's Gate 3 nih. Yang terakhir. Easy. Dikit lagi.
Yes, please. I'm so tired. How do people do this all day? A crooked touch.
Yang ambil bukunya, nggak apa sih. Kita bisa baca buku ini buat dapat animal speaking resepnya. Terus di sini juga ada pintu yang bisa dibuka. Selesai. Membantai kucing-kucing yang malang itu ya. Terus kita bisa ke atas dulu kali ya, biar nggak bolak-balik. Lawan elang. Di sini gameplay kita semuanya harus sneaky. 780. Surprise. Sakit banget.
Nice and quiet now. On my way.
Oke.
There is work to do.
Shadowheart bisa bunuh yang kecil sih kayaknya. Yep.
My patience wanes. I shouldn't linger.
Masih ada Lae'zel sama main karakter gue.
Taking my time in the shadows.
Mendekat. Dan boleh. Oke, kena curse juga dia. Masih surprise jadi nggak bisa jalan anyway. Surprise.
Moving.
Nggak kena.
Time to push my
Oke,
luck again.
ambilin ini ya kali ya, returning pike. Aku penasaran ini di mana nih? Terus returning pike-nya kasih ke Lae'zel biar dia bisa lempar. Ini gue butain aja dulu. Buta lah kau. Blinded. Nice.
Victory awaits.
Belum mati ya, wow. Astarion akan menyelesaikan semuanya.
At the ready.
Burungnya datang.
Let's get on with it.
Glorious! Feathers! When I...
Dapat XP. Di sini juga ada Warhammer.
Keep pushing.
Ini dulu.
Enough waiting. I crave blood. Onward.
Kita turun deh.
Just so.
Oke, XP-nya tinggal 635, dikit lagi. Coba cepat-cepat naik level nih. Mana Celestial Hammer? Gak ada ya, sama main karakter.
Let's get going.
Ini maze yang di yang ini tuh maze. Oh bukan, sorry. Berarti maze itu yang ini. Sorry. Mana maze sih? Oh, jatuh ya. Yang ini maze. Mana maze-nya? Tadi baru, oh ini dia.
Enough waiting. I crave blood.
Tadi yang ngambil siapa hammer?
Someone there?
Gak ada. Siapa yang pegang aja? Oh, ya ampun.
No time to dally.
Ini hammer. Oke, terus yang terakhir. Lupa sih jujur yang terakhir apa.
Keep a blade close. Just like old times.
Jadi fate. Biarkan Astarion bekerja.
Victory waits.
This feels good.
Wah, kamu mengecewakanku Astarion. Lae'zel, go. Kecewa saya dengan
I know this spell. Guardian of Faith.
gimana?
I'll take that. Dream in red.
Oke. Yang terakhir X.
No traps, please.
Baca suratnya biar dapat XP juga.
Sounds important. Could it still be here somewhere?
Berapa XP tinggal? 570.
Cursed to put my hands on everything.
Stand your ground! Keep them busy!
Sekitar 300 lagi.
Within the artifact, a feeling stirs. Uncertainty.
Your curiosity is getting the better of you. Do not let it. Stay away from the Githyanki. They're hunting you. They want the artifact. They'll stop at nothing to take it from you.
Tread lightly.
Oke. Yang terluka ada 2 orang.
What's that?
Shadowheart sama main karakter gue. Oke, let's go.
Let's move.
Oh, naik level di sini. Oke, nice. Level 7, naik level dulu ya. Seru nih. Iya, harusnya ambil fighter sih di sini ya. Iya, fighter. Oke. Astarion. ambil fit sih pasti. Sama aja kan ini. Oh, naik sedikit lebih banyak kalau fighter. Ya kita ambil fit dulu deh. Dari fighternya. Oh, masa ini nggak ada yang mau kita ganti. Nggak ada yang mau kita ganti. Fitnya kita ganti sharpshooter ya. Nambah damage 10 tapi kena penalti 5. Shadowheart. Sebenarnya kalau mau main apa Moonbeam udah bisa sih ini. Tapi kita juga bisa main Spirit Guardians nanti untuk prep buat di Act 2. Tapi harusnya sampai Act 2 sih level 9 sih. Ya udahlah. Ini dulu aja yang pasti-pasti. Prepared spell, berarti gua nggak butuh ini nggak butuh, ini juga nggak butuh. Laki nggak butuh sih sebenarnya. Ini butuh, ini butuh. Ini butuh. Ini butuh, ini butuh. Ini butuh. Clip forwarding apa ya? Revivify deh. Oke, lanjut. Lae'zel. Ini terakhir ya. Nice, dia udah bisa pakai War Magic. Dengan Booming Blade sih mantul ya. Ini ambil apa ya? Shatter nih. Apa Chromatic Orb? Ini juga oke sih. Witch Bolt. Ya ini deh, ini sama ini. Ini aja. Tidak ada mau kita tukar. Nah ini seru nih. Oke, ini udah kita prep, kita rapi-rapin dulu ini. Oke, ini ya oke.
Blacketh's will be done.
Oke, ini oke.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do the talk, yeah?
I need to find a way forward.
Sentry, stand down! I expected no visitors, faithful or otherwise. We seek the saint. You get the faith. Report.
Gila, lumayan XP-nya cuy.
Food for gay spies. You should know better.
Forgive
me. We have not been visited by an inquisitor in an age.
Kita langsung ambil.
I heard they're making us join the patrol soon. The search must be going bad.
To walk so freely. Such a lack of discipline would be.
Si bro, mau belanja.
This place is.
I'd heard this plane was disgusting, but I didn't think it would be like this.
Semua yang item-item magic ini. Udah, sisanya antara berguna dan tidak sih. Oke, thank you. Senang berbisnis dengan Anda ya. Oke, kita keberatan. Ini bisa dikasih ke Astarion sih. Jadi ini satu camp. Gini kan. Jadi critical hitnya berkurang 1. Ini glove dexterity tapi main karakter gua nggak ada yang pakai, jadi nggak apa-apa. Dikasih ke Lae'zel. Ini nggak perlu, nggak perlu, nggak perlu. Ini nggak perlu, ini nggak perlu, ini nggak perlu. Sebenarnya kepake cuma ini doang ya. 14 kecil banget ini. Ya udah nggak apa-apa lah. Satu camp. Oke. Lanjut. Nanti ya. Siapa tuh udah naik level kan kita bisa menjarah dia lagi. Duit kita 30.000. Baru mau X1. Oh ya, sama aktifin spellbooknya kali ya. Ini udah A semua. Ini A semua. Oke, ini. Oke, kita taruh sini. Salah. Kita taruh sini. Oke, jadi kita bisa nyalain matiin ya.
Over here.
Kita akan bantai yang ini dulu.
Is that blood? No, never mind. These boots have seen everything.
8.595. Bisa lah. Misi.
I'd expect to see 15 eggs at the very least.
I was not expecting an Istik. What brings you almost all of the most now leave?
Kami mau minta telur.
I don't have time to parent you as well. What do you want now?
Oke, saya bisa bantu untuk merawat telurnya.
You? What do you... Tell me. What will you do with it? That's what I feared. Very well.
Oke, thank you.
Keep your distance, darling.
Kita mempersiapkan Astarionnya untuk berperang ya.
Ready or not?
Action, not reaction. Quickly.
Oh, ini better ditutup deh kayaknya.
My faith protects me.
Oke, kita ambil.
You can see a vague outline of something within it.
Keberatan ya. Bukan dulu kali. Apa yang berat coba? Kasih ke Shadow Heart ini. Kertas doang tapi nggak berat harusnya. Ini equipnya ke oke, udah.
Walk in death.
Naik lagi ke sini, kita mau bunuh dia. Wow, kill everyone here ya. For the experience. Ganti sepatu dulu biar makin sakti ya. Makasih loh sepatunya. Time to kill. See?
Takes a fight.
I'll make you
Surprise
wish
ya?
you'd never been born.
Enggak lagi. Ceo.
The dance macabre.
Oke, bye.
Never a dull moment.
Oke. Drop your weapon. Kita bisa selesaikan dalam damai. Aduh, ini senjatanya berat banget ya.
Action, not reaction.
Ini kita bisa booming blade. Tembak, dot, nggak kena. Second slap. Nah, ada di tengok oke, nice. Makan nih. Au. Emang sakit itu ya kalau di parry ya? Oke. You are alone, my friend.
Time to kill.
Sonic Blast. Wah, ya.
I won't give in.
Gak expect gue sesakit itu ya. Aduh, hai.
What now?
Okay, let's go.
I need to rest. The sunset can't come quickly enough.
Everything is clear.
Oke, selesai satu ya.
An unhatched Gith. And yeah, keep it and don't you.
Oke, part satu kelar.
Seems simple enough. One day I'll catch a break.
Bisa bunuh yang latihan dulu sih. Ini nih, ini di dalam. Easy bro.
This insufferable whining.
Ntar.
Careful, I'm
I'm
behind.
sorry, Savage.
Indolence breeds madness.
Jockey, when you have a chance to kill your enemy, You take it.
There's no time to waste.
Vlaakith will be done.
Taste of the Mercia Gate.
Heal dulu ya, nggak expect gue tadi kena spell.
Has already addled your brain. Is that it? My brain is fine.
Looking ahead.
April!
Assume
Stop
nothing.
this insufferable whining.
Azalea kesini kali ya.
Your disobedience brings shame on Kresh Yelek. I'm sorry, Savage.
Shouldn't have wished to live in more interesting times.
Astarion.
Over there.
Shocky. When you have a chance to kill your enemy, you take it.
Kalau langsung surprise lebih enak sih.
Will ever believe this? Have to keep going. That's a friendly-looking
This
shadow.
is only a taste of the Mercia Gate would show you.
Just out of view.
Stop!
Someone there?
Oke, ini udah.
Still in control.
Perhaps a tadpole has already addled your brain. Is that
Can't give up now.
brain is fine. April! Stop this insufferable whining.
Coba ya, kita ngajak ngobrol aja.
They won't need to. Who wants to challenge this sniveling Istark? I hope you prove as. You are well on your way to being gangster.
Trying to concentrate.
Pigs have
Nice surprise round ya.
Come
Bisa
on,
nggak dibunuh
can't
ini?
stay idle.
Nice weapon drop. Nah, gue takut yang keluar itu manggil orang. Kayaknya send cam dulu ya. Pada berat-berat barangnya. Nih, pegang nih Astarion.
Let's end this.
Satu doang ya.
Where do I go from here?
Beneran lagi dia manggil orang. Ya udah.
Still in shadow. Taking position. In my best interest.
Oke, mati ya.
Behold, the dance of death.
Masuk ke sini. Anjir.
A better position.
Dia di balik pintu lagi. Mana yang masih surprise ini ya? Door. Aduh hai.
Perish by my hand.
Banyak aja ya yang datang ya.
Time to strike. Make way.
Nggak nyampe. Deh gitu.
No time to waste.
Gara-gara pintunya kebuka nih, jadi susah nih.
Another fight. Let's go.
Ini saya gue kesana coba.
What
Bisa sih.
path lies before me?
Apa-apa kena deh, nggak apa-apa. Anjir, anjir. Drop your weapon, dude.
Victory awaits.
Let's have some fun.
Oke, ini bisa dibunuh salah satu sih.
Quickly.
Cupu ya. Gila sakit sih.
Go for the throat.
Goodbye.
Let's move.
Survival is all that matters. Breathe deep and move.
Need to stay focused.
Tinggal satu sih.
I will ascend. No time to waste. Taking position.
Nggak harusnya kau mati sekarang. Harusnya kalian masih ada waktu hidup sekitar ya 5 menitan lah.
Eager for battle, without delay.
Ini suruh si Astarion aja nih. Dia aja chill aja, Bu. Gile.
Don't mind if I do.
Oke, itu udah. Berarti kita ke tempat dokternya ya. Ini tolong dilut-lutin tadi ya. Mayat-mayatnya biar nggak kelihatan orang ya. Nothing happens here. Ini cuma tadi ada jus tomat tumpah ya. Berantakan jadinya. Emang minumnya nih nggak jelas nih. Kayaknya akan ada jus tomat lagi nih yang tumpah nih. Waduh, beneran ya, jus tomatnya tumpah lagi dong. Banyak banget yang minum jus tomat di sini ya. Berantakan tapi minumnya nggak bersih ya. Kita bisa ke sini.
Despite everything, moving ahead.
Isi. Ngobrol sama dia.
Vertical incision from... Do you have a question? Or are you just going to stand there gawking? Nothing your kind is capable of understanding. The better question is, what brings an istic to my infirmary?
Saya cuma mau belajar.
I have... Let's see. Tell me. What is your understanding of that every fiber must either go to the Zaith'isk? Even Githyanki rarely experiences Zaith'isk. You are very lucky, Istik.
Suruh Reza ya, hancurin.
What's up for discussion?
The device is...
The Zaith'isk. Vlaakith's purity distinct. Praise Vlaakith. You're in
an unseen blade.
Yes, child.
You feel Lae'zel's mind rip and rupture. Is this purification? Is this the cure?
Ketika sukses, harusnya gue perlu pakai ini.
What madness is I am Githyanki?
And yet
her voice cuts with a fanatical edge, an obsession bordering on mania. There's a chance the parasite lives.
In any case.
No! It can't be! It can't!
Terus kita
This was my right!
bunuh orangnya.
What is it?
Your vibe.
Udah langsung akhiri aja Astarion.
I can do better.
Ya, kenapa?
I follow. Someone must have tampered with it. An aberrant. There few now.
Iya, 17 soalnya sih.
If not over, then through. What's inside?
Keep a blade close. Shall we?
A parasite, brimming with magic. Take it.
Ini gua kasih satu ke Astarion kali ya. Ini nih, favorable beginnings. Oke, terus sisanya kasih ke main karakter gue. Oke, mantul. Terus kita TP ke sini. Lalu bunuh, kayaknya nggak bisa deh. Bunuh yang ini atau bunuh dua-duanya sih. Oke. Kita ke depan dulu ya. Ke tempat yang tadi. Bunuh yang di tempat tadi dokternya itu. Di sini.
Here goes nothing.
Perlukah gue nge-heal? Do I need to heal? I think I do.
Time to get going. Breathe quiet. Move with care. Swift as my feet can carry me.
Dalam sih sebenarnya. Udah lah.
Trust no.
Astario, do your thing ya. Surprise nggak dia? Wah, nggak ada yang surprise. Wow, keren banget lu pada ya. Ini siapa? Aduh, di dalam lagi. Jauh banget, bro.
Time for a cull.
My path be true. In my best interest.
Satu.
I've missed this.
Mati dua.
Still on my feet.
Bisa gue.
Wonder if the gods are watching me.
Drop your weapon, bro. Oke. Oke. Tempelin yang ini duluan.
Need to act fast. Got to move.
Fury, I am death.
Step quick.
Sometimes the only way out is through.
Kenapa person? Lazel. No. Kok gak kritikal tuh? Nah, that's weird.
Let's have some carnage. Sounds like fun.
Biar kena efek bloodless.
What now?
Can't afford to let up.
Letting off.
Shall we cut and run?
Oke, terakhir ya. Drop your weapon. Man, drop your life.
How delicious.
This Crusher's bunk's look entirely too soft for my liking.
No. Wah, udah keberatan aja.
Let's hope for gold. Let's be quick.
My energy wanes. Time to rest.
Easy.
I wonder.
Bisa jalan duluan loh.
How many die today? How many die tomorrow? Better be cautious. Let's see what you're hiding.
Gila. Bisa dia jalan duluan ya.
Waiting with bated breath. These boots have seen everything. Something good here, I hope. Let's see what this does.
Semuanya udah, tinggal yang di ujung. Oh nggak, yang jualan juga belum sih. Bantai yang jualan dulu ya. Nanggung, kita selesaiin X1 dulu kali ya di sini. Astarion, do your job.
Entry! Intruder spotted. Hitaka!
Business the light would fear to shine on. Carefully now.
Udah mati lagi deh. Sakit sih, asli.
Let's spill some blood.
Wow, nggak mati, wow.
Let's go.
Keren.
Ready or not?
What's the plan?
Swift and lethal.
Wow, dia udah parry ini gue dua kali loh. Hebat dia.
They're dying for me. All of them.
Everything off. Take the plan.
Time to strike.
Booming blade. Oke, mati.
Enough waiting. I crave blood. Good job they beat the quickly then.
Gua aja atau emang rada nge-lag ya? Oke. Dikit lagi yang di atas. Bentar ya guys.
Those students need to learn something of authority.
What? Will they not heed? They're just still.
They're not following orders. Poor conduct.
That will not serve them well in battle.
Oke. Hampir aja.
Time for discretion.
Astarion, do your thing.
Sword.
Ini udah kelihatan soalnya.
My patience wanes. Not one false move.
For the experience. Maas banget lu kalau ready to parry ini.
I can be subtle sometimes. Don't mind if I do.
Bye.
Very well. Can't risk being in open view.
Silence breeds madness. Objective noted.
Oke, kita ke
The sunset can't come quickly
Sini ya.
enough. Let's have some fun. The dance macabre. Time to press ahead.
Assume nothing. Objective noted.
keberatan lagi, gila armornya ini berat-berat aja. Ini gantinya sih. Brandowick.
Please, the latest. They all weak. Yes, Chirai. You heard him.
Do as she's for now.
Not a public forum.
Oh no. I hate wolves.
In a world
masih
of
aja ya.
demons and dragons, you're scared of wolves.
Everyone's frightened of something. My fear's hardly irrational when you see the fangs on those things.
Whatever comes, I'm ready. Calm and quiet, that's the way.
Quick step. Like a wraith. Watch the shadows. Let's keep to the shadows.
Wah,
Thought a fight.
kena.
And now you have one.
Ah, nggak kena surprise lagi.
Don't mind me.
Halo.
Time for a cull.
Oh, jauh banget Astarion di belakang.
I'm ready.
Nice. Critical hit.
Victory awaits.
Tuh, hitungannya kita. Aduh. Aduh, I hate this thing so much.
I wonder if this is worth the cost. Have to keep going. Seems like the best way. Still breathing, despite everything.
Anjir. Ayo. Habis ini gue short rest sih.
Victory awaits.
What should I do?
Swift and lethal.
How dare you ya. Makan tuh anjir.
This way.
Bye.
Well, that's dealt with.
Aduh,
She wasn't
hai.
the one pulling the strings here.
All's well, I hope. No, hand kissed. I hope, but if you want to see where this goes,
Kita sling mau ya, pungut dulu ya. Aduh hai, tuh serem banget tadi. Panik saya panik.
One step at a time. What have we here?
Oke, dikit lagi kelar nih.
Who would be?
Nanggung.
Oh.
Mungkin episode ke-9 ini agak panjang ya guys. Kita
That took the edge off. Just when you think a place can't get any more ominous.
terus
I agree. It'll be good to get out of this place.
Oke, ini
I hope, no, expect that Chirai will aid us.
hampir selesai guys, X1. Cepet ya.
We do have a history of things going badly. But I'm sure this time will be different.
Objective noted.
I have such a headache. Can't slow down. I'll give it a shot. What a day.
Gue pengen yang itu dulu lagi.
On my way.
Bisa nggak ya? Oke. Ganti senjata dulu. Ini gue nggak pakai ini. Ini kasih ke main karakter gue biar lebih OP.
Well, hello.
Let's go.
Breathe deep and move.
Our esteemed guest, please approach. We have much to discuss. My art.
Chirai, Vlaakith's justice in flesh.
You have accomplished much, child. I heard there is so much goblin blood on your hands that it soaks their children's nightmares. To business. I suspect you plucked something precious from the Geik ship. Something that belongs to us. The weapon. Give it to me.
Don't do it. Do it. Do not disobey the Inquisitor.
What business? But know that you would hand it over. The Geik are about to execute the weapon. Now.
Alright. That's
So
your weapon.
it is found.
Vlaakith Gorg Skathzai.
My queen.
My queen.
Skathzai.
You are permitted to look upon me.
The deathless queen has spoken. You will obey.
Kita wave politely aja. Hai.
I expected little of Istik education, but here we kneel before our queen. Your choice of allies is most vexing. They do not become you, Lae'zel.
Chma Zala Vlaakith. You know me.
Alon of Kalir speaks most highly, as did Alchaya before. You seek purity. I may yet grant it. Istik, you bear that which is ours. But are you friend?
Or are you thief?
Or are you thief? An unexpected servant. Your kind will go far for glory. Extend your fealty one step further. That weapon.
I will cleanse.
Okay.
And
Ascension. You must accept. Refuse.
Use the flame caster's power to beware.
As you
Chma.
Buat ngebunuh yang ngamatin kita tadi.
Don't do it.
Heat, your mind
Padahal mereka sebenarnya
burns
baik.
hot with excitement. The concentration of Sion bound.
Don't mind if I do.
Yang penting ini Divine Bond Shark-nya. Sisanya bisa nemu di tempat lain nih. Udah nggak ada ya, cuma satu doang ya. Masuk.
Here we go.
So you came. Come. We will talk in private. I may have made a mistake trusting you. I told you to stay away from the gift. Since then, she has become desperate. Vlaakith wants me dead because I know her secret. It is a secret so great that if her people ever found that same secret is how I've been protecting you from the I can hear your thoughts. You think I'm on your side.
Anjay. Get up.
It seems I was right to put my faith in you after all. Thank you. Vlaakith will be furious, to make no mention of your Githyanki companion. The Lich Queen fears nothing more than the loss of her empire. The knowledge I have of her deception will bring that about. Godlike in power, yes. Vlaakith is lying to her people. If the Illithid Empire were and if her...
Intinya
that
ratunya
very
itu
power,
nipu.
the power to resist Illithid control, which Vlaakith owned, I suppose she hoped to extract. Since you spared me that fate, as do I. You were be warned. Good luck.
Nah, kita diserang nih. Karena sebenarnya regardless apapun yang kita lakukan, kita tetap akan dibunuh sama yang tadi nyuruh kita masuk.
Blasphemy!
Your mind tingles. Lae'zel seeks entrance.
Jadi ya siap-siap aja.
I've a mind to the Inquisitor.
Efek blast dari siapa ya? Kita akan diserang sama dia. Dia kena aja. Blastnya kalau bunuh.
Lae'zel, you are named...
Right, please.
Irrelevant, Ghaik wretch. The Queen has spoken. Your death is decreed.
Langsung disuruh bunuh kan.
You realize what Lae'zel doesn't. Whatever the outcome of your visit to the Astral Prism, Vlaakith had no intention of letting either of you live.
Sebenarnya nggak akan dikasih hidup juga sebenarnya.
Crush Yillik with me to the death.
Oh, suka banget lagunya. Ini ya dia bunuh yang ini dulu sih sebenarnya, bikin repot. Gak buta ya dia? Oke, masih hidup.
Well, so much for peace. With haste.
Au. Gak kelihatan tadi, gak lihat. Karena ini pertarungan almost terakhir kita sih. Udah. Gila dia. Ini semua udah tadi ya.
I'm glad you came to your senses. Now leave before the others come for us.
Sisa 4.
In my best interest.
Oke. Oke, sisa 3. XP-nya lumayan deh.
Hungry for the slaughter.
Ambil chestnya dulu deh. Nyambil.
Now they see me.
Pakai deh. Sebenarnya kan ada 2 battle lagi sih. Satu yang jaga gerbang, yang pas pertama kali kita masuk. Satu nanti yang pas kita mau ke Act 2. Ini nggak apa-apa. Dia bisa pakai. Cukup darah yang full aja udah bisa kok bunuh yang sisanya. Ini main fight kita di sini terakhir. Di X1. Dikit lagi mati dia.
No time to waste.
Come on, can't stay idle.
Weapon drop. Ambil dulu pedangnya.
I'm ready.
Astarion. Akhiri dia, Bung.
Over here.
Oke. Tinggal 1 terakhir. Anjay. Au. Easy, my friend.
Good. Outmaneuver them.
Goodbye. Oke, ini karena udah mau 2 jam ya, mungkin episode 9 kita akhiri sampai di sini dulu guys. Nanti di episode selanjutnya mungkin kita bersih-bersih dikit, terus kita bersih-bersih di X1 sedikit. Kita lanjut kayak setengah di Act 2. Itu aja kali ya. Mungkin ngelut-ngelutnya juga nanti di episode ke-10 aja, karena ini udah mau 2 jam recordingnya. Oke, nanti juga dapat senjata legendary di sini. Nanti kita kasih ke Shadowheart juga. Mungkin sampai situ aja ya. Aku basa-basi lagi. Thank you guys udah nonton. See you in the next episode. Bye.